Hello guys and girls, in this video I'm looking at this beautiful silver plated, I think, spoon. There we go, that's how it's looking. This one is actually pretty thick here, but it's very thin out there. It is thick there as well. We have Onida, let me just see what it says. It says Onida USA and something else in a very small font which I can't read. There we go. That's how it's looking. I'm pretty sure this is not silver. It's not tarnished as silver, only partially, and it's very shiny. So I think that's not silver. That's the pattern right there. We have roses and like a little mirror type of thing there. And then I think a little bit of branches there. So let's take a look at these. I'm gonna make just a couple of marks. We'll do the front and the back. We'll run a very quick test on this one. Okay, metal feels kind of soft actually. First mark, there you go. Looks like 10 karat gold for some reason. I think that's just color of the alloy. Second mark coming out much wider. There we go. Yeah, this looks like 10 karat gold and this looks like maybe 14 karat. Very weird. Okay, let's take our 18 karat acid and see what we have here. First and second. That's interesting. They barely disappearing. This looks a bit blue here and this one looks green. Okay, that's a weird test for the silver plated spoon. This is getting more blue, but see how this blue right there, it's not consistent. See how it's like partial, like you have like a line going through and then the line kind of breaks, there's nothing, and then blue continues again, and then again breaks, and then nothing. So on a real piece or on a heavily plated piece, the lines will be consistent. You're gonna literally see like continuous line of silver going through, and this is like just green to me. Can't even say what it is. Well, anyway, this is what it is. If you see a spoon like this, do not pick it up. Don't waste your money. It's definitely, unless you just want it for aesthetic purposes, not for the value. In that case, buy it, clean it. It's gonna be super beautiful and shiny, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Well, anyway, thank you very much for watching. Share, like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you in the next one.